Do you know how to do you know how to make fudge at home with only 5 ingredients? I'm going to show you right now. It's super easy and it's a great recipe for kids to help out with too. All right, so what do we need? We're going to need some sort of a pan. I have this little silicone pan here that I'm going to use just because it's easier to get the fudge out. But if you don't have one of these, you can use any sort of pan that you have at home. Just make sure whatever pan you use, you have parchment paper, and that'll make it easier to get the fudge out. Now, we're going to need some ingredients. First, ask mom or dad to help. We're going to need butter, granulated sugar, cocoa powder, milk, and vanilla extract. Now, if you want to be fancy, you can get real vanilla, or if you have vanilla extract, that works too. And then, of course, we're going to need some sort of a stove to cook this on. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is add our butter and our sugar into the pan. Now, I'm using a regular spoon to mix this together, but you can use a wooden spoon if you like. We just want to combine the butter and the sugar really well. Once that's done, we're going to add in our cocoa powder and we're going to mix that all together. Helping the kiddies with making fudge, they can have fun with this. Once that's combined, the butter and sugar. And we're going to add in our milk and then our vanilla extract, and we're just going to mix that all together. You want to make sure that there are no lumps in this. If there are, just make sure to get a whisk, and then that will really help you get out any of those lumps. Once this mixture is smooth, we're going to put it on our stove on low heat, and we're going to start to cook this. Now, while this is cooking, you want to stir this constantly. You don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan and burn, so just make sure to stir this constantly while it's cooking. You're going to cook this until it reaches a boil, and you're going to boil this for 5 minutes. So set a timer for 5 minutes and just make sure to stir this constantly while it's boiling. Once it's done boiling, you're going to take it off the heat and you're going to pour it into a well-greased flat square glass container. Now I have a little trick here. I take a knife and I spread the fudge around so it's even. If you don't do this, the fudge will just kind of be in the middle of the glass container and not even. So we want to spread it around so it's even, and then we are going to let this cool completely. The easiest way to do this is to put it in the refrigerator, and then once it's completely cooled, you can cut it up and enjoy. A little birdie told me there's a mountain of effort that goes into these videos behind the scenes, all for the lovely price of nada. So if you're enjoying the videos, do us a solid and give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and let's spread the love. Because nothing says I appreciate you quite like a click of a button, right? Join the Kiddios Club on YouTube. We promise it's more fun than a cat in a cardboard box. Seriously, we appreciate you, like a squirrel appreciates a stash of acorns. So hit that subscribe button and let's make some magic happen together. That's it for today. Bye-bye. Stay awesome.